If everyone is ready, we can start it. Or can we wait for one more time? Biraz daha bekleyelim mi hocam? Ya da başlayalım mı?
Başlayalım.
Okay, let's start it. Okay, hello everyone again. I am Fatma from Turkey. And hello students, dear students. Today I'm going to have presentation about the e-safety rules. And now I'm going to share my screen with you and slides as well. Yes.
Welcome.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Again, I am Fatma from Turkey. Today, we are going to have presentation about the internet safety, e-safety rules. Okay, now you can skip it. Next. There are some rules that we have to know when we get in online. The first rule is use safe websites. Again, teacher, you can just click it. One more. Yes. Use websites. We shouldn't use any websites because all the websites are not a good one. Some are dangerous, some have some viruses. And next step is create strong password. Create strong password. Our password should include numbers, letters, punctuations, and combining all of them, lower case letters, and uppercase letters. And we shouldn't use your name or 1 2 3 4 or A B C D. Okay, our password shouldn't include these kind of regular words or regular numbers. Next. Again, click it. Okay. Don't share your password with anyone, even your best friend. Okay, dear students, don't share your password with anyone except your parents, mommy and daddy. Okay, except of them. Okay, you cannot share with anyone else. No, neither your best friend or other friends. Skip it. And never give strangers your personal information, like your full name, okay, full name, your school name, your city where you live, and your addresses, your phone numbers, your likes, dislikes, your birth date. Don't share this information on the internet, and people can search about you more than you think. And next. Think carefully before uploading photos or videos of yourself. When you share your photos or your videos, and people can do something bad to your photos, okay? Be careful about what you share. Don't share your personal photos because they are private to you. Next. Again. And don't make online friends because all the friends, all the people are not good one. Some strangers can be dangerous and some cannot tell the truth. Okay, don't make online friends. Next. Again. Yes, online friends aren't real friends. Never agree meet online friends. Online friends can be dangerous, okay? They are strangers. They don't know what you think, what you feel, okay? Some people are not good as you think. Be sure and don't meet them online, okay? Don't meet them in public places. Don't agree to meet them. Next. And
Okay.
tell your parents if you see bad online behavior. When you get in online, there are some photograph or some news which is not appropriate for your age. So when you see bad things on the internet, first you have to go and tell your parents, your mommy, your daddy, and or trusted adult, maybe your brother, sister, you can share with them. And also, please, when we write a comment on photos of someone, we have to be polite. Don't be rude. Don't write bad comments on the people's videos, photos, or blogs or vlogs, whatever it is. Okay, be kind to other people's because they also have emotions. They have feelings too. Be careful what you share, what you say, and what you think. Next. And you shouldn't download any files, okay? Be careful when you download any attachment. And if you don't know whether it is good one or bad one, please tell your parents and they can help you. And they will tell you whether it is good or not. And don't forget, you are responsible for everything you do on social networking sites. So be careful what you share. Mhm. Yeah, we all of knows that the internet is a good source of information. We can use everywhere in school, at school or at home, on the way, on the traffic, on the bus. We can use anywhere because we can immediately reach the information. But not all the information are true. Some information can be false, and we have to know what is wrong and what is not. And don't believe everything you see on the internet. And you have choose wisely the information and the news about the internet. Thank you for listening. It is the end. I hope you all learn some information about the e-safety, the Yes, dear students, you need to another phone, cell phone or smartphone in your hands.
Evet. Girebiliyor muyum
You
hocam?
can just Kahoot it. Please, everybody can write it on the Google Kahoot it, and that they will ask for the. Okay, Semi.
Eminim hocam.
Yes.
Evet. Evet.
Dear students, write the Kahoot it on the Google and they will ask for the game and you have to write these numbers 5152612.
Evet.
We are waiting for the other students. Please be quick.
We are waiting. All students.
Okay, ready,
Starting.
students? Are you ready, everybody?
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, start.
Haydi bakalım. Question.
Hocam benim gönderdiğim bu değildi.
Değil mi? Neyse. Evet. Maşallah. Evet. Kanefe çıkmış. Ali Kuşçu geliyor. Evet. Hocam siz konuşabilirsiniz. Yani yorum yapabilirsiniz Fatma hocam. Duruma.
For what? Okay. Ali Kuşçu team, the number 1. Dinsa, am I right? Dinca or Dinsa?
Evet. Dince Romanya.
Romanian.
Hı hı.
Dinka,
Okay.
Dinka is the name.
Dinka.
Dinka. Maya.
Dinka.
Dinka.
Okay. Dinka is the second one. Okay. Ali Kuşçu, third one.
Dinka.
Yes.
Oo.
Dinka. Bravo, Dinka.
Süper.
Then Ali Kuşçu team and Ali Kuşçu 1, Ali Kuşçu 3.
Evet. Evet. Ali Kuşçu.
Bravo, very good. Ali Kuşçu team, number 1.
Number
Ali
one.
Kuşçu 3. Yes,
Number
second
one.
one.
Yes.
And Ali Kuşçu team, still number 1. Ali Kuşçu 3. Bravo.
Evet. ve
Dinka. Yes. And the last question, be careful.
Evet. Evet. The end.
The end. Ali Kuşçu
Maşallah.
team, the first
Süperiz.
one. Then Ali Kuşçu and third one is Dinka from the Romanian. You
Savur,
can just
savur.
take the photos of the
Photo.
score.
Yes.
Yeah.
Evet.
Thank you, dear students and teachers. Thank you very much for joining this beautiful event for us and keep playing the game with us. Thank you very much. See you, everybody. Good evening. Good night.
Thank you very
Bye-bye.
much. Good night.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
evening.
Good night. Good night. Dear teachers, good night. Dear students, good night.